Take control of your privacy by expertly removing your Samsung account from your device. First, navigate to your phone's settings app. You'll find this gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Scroll to the very top of the settings menu. You should see your Samsung account name and profile picture prominently displayed there. Tap on it. On this screen, you'll see all the details associated with your Samsung account. Look for the sign out option, usually located at the bottom or towards the bottom of this page. Tap on sign out. A confirmation prompt will appear. It's important to note that signing out will remove your Samsung account from this device and disconnect you from Samsung services like Samsung Cloud, Samsung Pass, and Find My Mobile. If you're ready, tap sign out again. For security purposes, you'll likely be asked to enter your Samsung account password. To confirm the action, enter your password and tap OK or confirm. Once your password is confirmed, your Samsung account will be successfully unlinked from your device. You've now taken a crucial step in securing your personal data and managing your device's privacy. Your device is now free from your Samsung account. You can rest assured that your data is more protected, and you have greater control over your device's settings and information.